Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a simple carp rig. We'll start by gathering our essential components. You'll need your main fishing line, a strong hook link material, and a sharp hook. Don't forget a reliable swivel, a lead of appropriate weight, and a small bait stop. It's crucial that your hook link material has a good breaking strain, usually around 15 to 25 pounds, to handle those powerful carp. Next, let's master the knotless knot, a cornerstone for carp fishing. Begin by threading your hook link through the front of the hook's eye, forming a small loop that will become your hair rig. Then, carefully wrap the hook link around the shank of the hook, making sure to do this 8 to 10 times for a secure hold. Finally, pass the tag end back through the eye from the rear, pulling it tight to secure your hair rig in place. Now, it's time to connect your hook link to the rest of your setup. Securely tie your knotless knot hook link to a robust swivel, ideally a size 8 or 10. This swivel will prevent line twist. Following that, attach your chosen lead to the swivel. Leads typically range from 1 to 3 ounces, depending on your fishing conditions. Always ensure your lead system is designed to safely eject the lead if it becomes snagged, protecting the fish. Finally, let's get your bait ready and make those crucial final checks. Thread your preferred bait, like a boilie or corn, onto the hair rig loop and secure it firmly with a small bait stop. Then, connect your main fishing line to the swivel using a strong, reliable knot. Before you cast out, take a moment to double-check every single knot and connection. Ensuring everything is secure will give you confidence and help land that carp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.